everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through a simple and a quick step on how to change your email address on Mint Intuit. So let's go ahead and jump in straight into the video. Start off by open a web browser. Into the URL box, type in mint.intuit.com and press enter. This will then take you to the official site for Intuit. Go ahead and click on the sign in button at the top right hand corner and then enter your credentials to log into your account. After you are signed into your Mint Intuit account, go ahead and click on the Intuit account tab located at the bottom left hand corner. Soon after you click on it, this will then open up your overview page for your Intuit account. In order to change your email, scroll down and click on Sign In and Security. You'll then be able to see the sign in info. Go ahead and click on your email address and then enter the new email address you would want to change to. Re-enter the new email address in the next field again and finally click Save. Soon after you are done, you'll be able to change your email address right away. So that's how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.